Dear students, in this video, we have covered 66 important GK questions and answers on Indian national flag with explanation to make this video informative for you so that you can get prepared for your competitive examinations. However, in this part of video, we have given only 10 questions and other questions are covered in another parts of video. You can get the link of other parts videos in the description box. So let's start. Question 41. Who recommended the addition of a white strip in the Indian national flag? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Pingali Venkaiah, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Annie Besant. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi recommended the incorporation of a white strip into the Indian flag as a symbolic recognition of the various other communities living in India. Additionally, he suggested the use of a spinning wheel to signify the development of the country. After a few modifications and alterations, the shade of red was replaced with saffron. The white strip was viewed as a symbol of peace and was intended to represent the other communities in the country. Question 42. When the resolution was approved accepting a tricolor flag as our national flag? Your options are A. 1950, B. 1931, C. 1947, D. 1946. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is B. 1931. In 1931, the resolution to accept a tricolor flag was the national flag of India was approved. This flag had 3 strips, saffron, white and green, and in the middle there was the spinning wheel of Mahatma Gandhi. 16 years later, on July 22, 1947, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Swaraj flag as the national flag of sovereign India. The Swaraj flag was the same as the previous tricolor flag except the spinning wheel was replaced by the Asoka chakra. Question 43. When the Constituent Assembly accepted Indian flag with 3 strips and Asoka chakra in the middle? Your options are A. On 21 July 1938, B. on July 22, 1931, C. on 15 August 1947, D. on July 22, 1947. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is D. On July 22, 1947. The Indian flag featuring saffron, white and green horizontal lines and Emperor Asoka's thumb chakra in the center was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on July 22, 1947. This was the same flag that had been approved in 1931 but with the spinning wheel of Mahatma Gandhi replaced by thumb chakra. As a result of this decision, the tricolor flag of the Indian National Congress, which had been a symbol of their struggle for independence, became the official flag of the newly independent India. Question 44. Who has the manufacturing right to make the national flag of India? Your options are A. West Bengal Khadi Commission, B. Akola Khadi Industries, C. Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, D. all of the above. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission. The Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission hold the exclusive right to authorize the manufacturing of the Indian national flag. Since 2009, this job has been done by the Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Sanyukt Sangh, which is a manufacturing federation with its headquarters in Bangeri, Hubli city, Karnataka, India. Garaj village is in Dharwad city. This federation is the only authorized unit in India to manufacture and supply national flags as specified by the commission. Question 45. In which year Indian national flag was raised on Mount Everest for the first time? Your options are A. on August 7, 1906, B. on 14 April 1944, C. on May 29, 1953, D. on 22 August 1907. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. on May 29, 1953. Tenzing Norgay, popularly known as Sherpa Tenzing, was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer who achieved the remarkable feat of reaching the top of Mount Everest on 29 May 1953. He made history by becoming the first person to ever reach the highest point on earth and hoist the Indian national flag. Question 46. When the largest Indian flag was hoisted in Indo-Pak Attari Border? Your options are A. March 2017, B. January 2022, C. August 2021, D. December 2017. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is A. March 2017. On March 2017, the largest Indian flag was hoisted in the Indo-Pak Attari Border. This was done during a grand inauguration ceremony presided over by Punjab Minister Anil Joshi. The flag, measuring 110 meters in length, 24 meters in width and weighing 55 tons, was erected on the tallest flag post in the country, which was built at a cost of roughly 3.50 crore by the Amritsar Improvement Trust Authority of the Punjab government. The Indian flag post is visible from across the border in Lahore, Pakistan. Previously, the record for the tallest tricolor in India was held in Ranchi, with the flag post measuring 293 feet in height. Question 47. When the national flag of India flew into space as an emblem on spacesuit worn by Cosmonaut Wing Commander? Your options are A. April 1891, B. January 1892, C. April 1984, D. March 1999. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. April 1984. In April 1984, Cosmonaut Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma wore the Indian flag on his spacesuit during the Indo-Soviet space trip. Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma Ashi was the first Indian to go into space. He used to be a pilot for the Indian Air Force. He was on the Salyut 7 space station for 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes. When he came back from space, he was given the title Hero of the Soviet Union. The Indian government gave him the Asoka chakra, which is its highest honor for bravery. Question 48. After India became a free nation, where did the first outdoor official flag hoisting take place in the world? Your options are A. Canada, B. Pakistan, C. USA, D. Australia. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is D. Australia. On August 15, 1947, the first official outdoor raising of the Tiranga flag took place in Canberra, Australia, at the home of Sir Raghunath Paranaip, who was the High Commissioner of India in Australia. This happened at 12 hours local time and at 7:30 hours IST, which was 3 hours before the first flag raising in India, which took place at 11:30 am. Question 49. When the flag code of India takes effect from? Your options are A. January 1, 2002, B. January 26, 2002, C. August 15, 2002, D. January 26, 1953. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is B. January 26, 2002. On January 26, 2002, the Flag Code of India was officially implemented. The Flag Code of India works as an umbrella that gathers together all laws, traditions, practices and regulations for the usage, exhibition and hoisting of the national flag of India. The Flag Code of India may be found on the website of the Government of India. The coding has been broken down into 3 distinct sections. The Flag Code of India was first implemented on January 26, 2002 and afterwards underwent some changes on December 30, 2021. Question 50. Who was the first Indian to have raised an Indian flag on foreign soil? Your options are A. Bikaji Rustam Kama, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Pandit Nehru. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is A. Bhikaji Rustam Kama. In Stuttgart, Germany, on the 22nd of August in 1907, Madam Bhikaji Kama made history by becoming the first person to raise the Indian flag on territory that was not Indian. Kama, Shyamji Krishna Verma and Vinayak Damodar Savarkar were the ones responsible for the creation of the flag that would later become known as Berlin Committee flag. Madam Bhikaji Kama was the most notable figures in the Indian independence movement. Hope you liked these general knowledge questions. If you really liked them, please like my video, share my video among your friends, and also to subscribe my channel. If you have any query or suggestion, please write them to the comment box. Thank you so much.